hearing the plea of our good chairman and coming also from an island province, iba po yung sitwasyon eh. Although here in Luzon and in the mainland, one DOH hospital per province is good. But like Batanes and Palawan, pending the recommendation of DOH, Madam Chair, regardless of that, I move for the approval of House Bill number 1953, subject to style and amendment, and also the accompanying committee report, Madam Chair.
Mr. Chair, I
Second,
second
Mr.
the
Chair.
motion. Madam Chair, I second the motion. As Mr. Chair said, I have been there, and it's really nearer Taiwan than even the capital of Batanes. So I second the motion.
Maraming salamat na Honorable Macapagal Arroyo and Honorable Acosta.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Upon motion duly seconded, the committee hereby approves House Bill number 1953, subject to style and amendments and comments of the Committee on Appropriations. Congratulations, Chairman Gato.
Congratulations, Chair.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much to the colleagues. We now move